What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So with the SEC crackdown, Coinbase, Binance lawsuits, as well as delisting on Robinhood, we saw a dump in the market, including for Gala games. So we are down to crucial levels, which we'll get into. We're sitting at 0.021, up about 4% on the day. Same market at 462 million, 24-hour volume 69 million. So if we hop into the charts, let me start on the daily time frame. We came all the way down. We actually broke below the 78.6% fib level. And as you guys know, if you break below that level, then it becomes unlikely that this is a wave two. But often with bear market bottoms, the wave two will be max pain to create the most amount of fear in the market. You'll see a very, very deep wave two. So that could definitely be possible for our friend Gala Games. Currently, we wicked down on the daily, but we did close the day right on the 78.6% fib level. I do think there is chance of filling that wick and creating a lower low, but we'll get into that. Obviously, the news crashed the price, crashed the market for many of the altcoins, so we lost our bullish divergences, but we are extremely oversold on the daily time frame. So here's what I'm looking at. Let me show you on the 4-hour time frame. So what we're looking at is coming down in that wave 5 to complete the wave C and complete this wave 2 pullback. So with the recent dump, what I'm looking at is this red wave count. Wave 1 down, had a wave 2 pullback. Saw the impulsive wave 3 that included the dump with the SEC crackdown. So what I'm looking at potentially is a wave 4 pullback, and your pullback zone is in between 0.020 and 0.023. Now, if we were to break above 0.023, that would be the first indication of a potential low being in. But it does look like BTC and Ethereum have more room to come down, which could lead to a wave 5. Now, if we do come down in a wave 5, I would expect us to come down to about 0.016, which is extremely close to the previous low of 0.0155. If we break that low, then this wave 2 is invalidated. We have to adjust the wave count. But as I mentioned, it is common at a bear market bottom when you see the first rally to the upside and you see that wave 2 pullback that it will be deep, 90%, 95% of wave 1, and cause the maximum amount of fear, and the whales will take advantage and you'll see the bounce to the upside. Now, of course, nothing is promised. If we break that low, then we break in and we have to adjust the wave count. But as of right now, the bullish scenario is we're pulling back in a wave 4. So if we do get rejected in the zone and we come down, we fill that wick, we create a lower low, look for a bounce off about 0.016. If we do break that low, it invalidates the wave 2. But there is a good chance that the whales will take advantage and will create that lower low, and they'll start buying it back up under 2 cents, and we see the continuation to the upside. As I mentioned, if we can break above 0.023, that could be the first indication that the low is already in, and we're going to see that continuation to the upside. If we break this low, then we break it, it opens the door for lower prices. We'll have to see how it plays out, but as of right now, we did close the day on the 78.6% fib level. So the crucial resistance to watch is 0.0238. If we break above it, then we can consider a low being in. But I'd have a feeling we are going to come down and fill this wick and potentially create a lower low in a wave 5 before hopefully seeing continuation to the upside. We'll have to see how that plays out. All right, gang. So we are currently in 4 trades right now. If you want a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, all you have to do is sign up to Bickit or Bybit. Both Bickit and Bybit don't have operations in the US, so the chances of the SEC filing a lawsuit are slim with these exchanges, so it's a safer bet right now than Binance and Coinbase, in my opinion. And if you make your first deposit, you get a 30-day free trial. Just email me or sign up email. To my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to alt plays, also Forex analysis and signals. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. If you want direct access, it's only $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you'd like to, if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.